Then we have charts. Charts are a bit more powerful than tables. And so let's go back to the chart that we had opened previously. This is what the candle chart looks like. And then what you can see at the bottom is a list of selections of what you can do. First of all, you can also minimize and maximize this window according to your needs, and you can see that the chart gets resized accordingly. And then we've got this group of tools. These goes back to reset. You can zoom in by default. You can select the zoom area that you are interested to look at. And then you are also able to hover over to see the data in more detail. So the volume, the open, high, low, close. Then we have markers. So basically you can select a marker here and this one. You can check on the marker like what does that value correspond to. So basically to have a better visualization. You have drawing tools. So let's say I want to draw a line. I can draw a line like this. I can draw a line like this. I'm able to edit the color of the lines. I'm able to draw like an open form, anything that I want. But the most important ones are these over here. First of all, you can change the theme to a more classic, or you can change it to the OpenBB dark mode. You can add text, which you can change the title, which I really liked, NVIDIA from 21/10/01, for instance, and you submit, and as you can see, the title is changed. Then you can add text. You can say anything that you want. Nice. You can change the colors of the font, of the border. You can say if you want the position to be above or below. You can change even the font size to any value that you want. Let's say submit. All I need to do now is to click on a ticker that I'm interested, and there we go. And then one of my favorite ones is this one. So you are able to overlay charting data directly. So let's say I click here, and I need to select a CSV file. In this case, we've got Microsoft here. Let me click on Microsoft, and then from Microsoft I want to take as the date, and then because this is a candle, I'll have open, low, high, close, which is by default preloaded. I'm gonna change the colors so that it doesn't look the same. I'm gonna change it to orange, and I'm gonna say submit. And so now what you can see is an overlay of NVIDIA versus Microsoft. And so I can go back and you can compare each other. And so this is really, really powerful because it allows you all the freedom you want. Plus, you can download the data on the CSV format or as an image, which looks like this. It takes a bit of time. Here we go. The image is loaded and I can access it over here. Loaded image. Nice for your content. But you may be wondering, okay, where does the data Microsoft comes from? Very simple. I went into load-h, and one of the arguments that we have is we can export raw data. You could also do it from the interactive table, but in this case, you can do it simply from here. So I can say load an Apple, and I want to do actually, let's do candle H. You also have the export capability. So I'm gonna do candle, and I'm gonna export into the CSV format. And what this leads to is to the raw data being saved into exports with these names. So that means that if I come into this chart and I go again from overlay, I will have the capability to load this data from Apple, which was just saved. As you can see, the time matches, and we could keep on adding any chart that we want.